Unbelievable. Hi everybody, this is Peter from Off-Road Electric. Today we are going to continue on Tatra. We are going to remove, finally, hopefully, we are going to remove this bumper or this structure. Bumper structure. Okay, here is the 55 millimeters nut over here. I have to somehow get into it, so I came up with this monster. So hopefully, I'm not going to lose much power in these connections, and hopefully that huge nut will go out. Currently I'm losing a lot of power. I will try to just put it directly on it. I don't know if I will fit it there. Okay, now maybe now. Okay, it's working. Oh, it's wedged. Okay, it's loose. Hallelujah. But now I don't have deep socket for this. I don't have a deep socket. Oh! Wow! That bomb! I didn't expect that. So I'm very happy. Otherwise I don't know how else I would do it. I will have to go somewhere to try to buy this socket. Deep one. Okay, so I'll unscrew it. Awesome. Can't believe that this actually is possible. I'm surprised it's not completely rusty. Here's a rod, so we are going to cut it there because it's on the angle. I cannot pull it out really because it has different rods in different angles and I cannot pull it out. I have to cut it off over there. So let's go. Hallelujah! Okay, finally we got it bumper, or whatever it is. It's out finally. So the vehicle is only 7 meters long, of course, after we remove the bed. The bed will get out in a few days when I have a crane over here. Now we have to unhook the chains. Here are some chains for security probably. They're over there, one which connects the bed to the frame, and there is another one over there, and there is another one over here. So I'm going to unhook them, then all the way, there are these pins all the way, so we will unhook the pins, and then the bed's supposed to be free and ready for the crane. Let's go. Nejde normálně na ten šroub. To je moc tlustá, aby se nevyne na ten šroub. No to snad není možný. Teď tam je. Je to tam nasazený, no ty vejt,
Ano. Ano, drž to.
Jedem, jo?
Mhm. Paráda.
Okay, we have to unhook, we have to unbolt these two rams, hydraulic rams, because they are attached to the bed. So obviously they need to go out. That's unbelievable. I'm trying to unscrew these bolts over here to free this hydraulic ram. They are so tight. I am bending actually the wrench. That's unbelievable. I have to cut off all these bolts. I cannot get the gun over there. I cannot get the socket there. I have to cut them off. Unbelievable. I'm not happy, as you found out already, I'm sure. I'm getting f***ing out of here. It's really not a fun. Can't believe what I'm doing in my age. Ukaž mu, na čem ležím. Take a look what I have been sitting on. Take a look. This was my bed here. Last 15 minutes. Oh my god. Unbelievable. Okay, the rest we are going to go doing. The rest we will do from outside. As you can see, it's lifting together. I don't want that. After millions of hours of work over here, I just realized when I lift it up, here is a security pin over here. So if I lifted it up and just unhook it, I could skip all this crazy work with this grinder here. Look at that, it's moving.